What if I told you there's a free AI that can turn your imagination into real, stunning images in seconds? Welcome to AI Hustle Hub, and today we're exploring Leonardo AI, the tool that's changing how creators work. Leonardo AI is a free image generator that creates ultra-realistic artwork from just a few words. No design skills, no editing, just describe what's in your mind and let AI do the magic. For example, I'll type, "A futuristic city at sunset with flying cars." In seconds, Leonardo turns it into something that looks straight out of a science fiction movie. It's fast, it's powerful, and honestly, it feels unreal. You can explore hundreds of styles: realistic, cinematic, cartoon, anime, and more. And here's the best part. Leonardo AI is completely free to start. You can use it to make YouTube thumbnails, posters, or digital art without spending a single rupee. So if you're ready to turn your imagination into visuals, go try Leonardo AI today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because your next creative upgrade starts here at AI Hustle Hub.